Hello, everyone. My name is John Adams. I'm a solutions engineer at Nutrient. And in this video, I'm going to show you an example from our awesome Nutrient repository. I'm on the page now, and I'll scroll down to the toolbar section. And I'm going to show you how to add a link, a highlight, and an underline annotation all at the same time. So I've got that loaded in our playground. The playground is a good way to explore the functionality of the web SDK without installing anything. You can go into settings, change which option to display, which document to display, or load your own. I'm going to change to the scientific because there's a lot of words in that one. We start off with the load method. We provided the base options we configured in settings. Then we get an instance of the SDK, which we can manipulate. The first thing we need to do is create a DOM node for the custom icon that we're going to show, the custom toolbar button. We're going to put the inner HTML to an inline SVG that is a link icon. It's the standard infinity-looking icon that most links have these days. Then we're going to create the actual custom toolbar object. We provide it with some defaults like the ID and the title. We provide it with a DOM node that we just created and set up an event listener that will actually handle the text selection and then the highlight and link and underline once it's running. We do some math to get the underline and the highlight, and then the real items to pay attention to are we create the highlight annotation, we create an underline annotation, and we create a link annotation from the bounding boxes that were selected. And then finally, we tell the instance to create all three of those annotations, and that will put it in the same text selection. We need to tell the instance when it loads to set the inline selection toolbar items. We get the properties passed. We're going to destructure the default items out of that, pass back the toolbar, the default items from the ones passed in, and then we're also going to give it back the toolbar item that we just created above. So we give it the default toolbar items plus the one that we created. I'll go ahead and do the demo, and I will select some text. It will bring up the inline text toolbar, and we've added this link icon at the end. And when I click it, on press event, we'll create a link annotation, an underline annotation, and a highlight annotation on this text. And you can see the link is to Nutrient. There's a highlight and an underline all at the same time. I'll do one more just for fun. So text selection, custom toolbar icon, 3 annotations created. Hope you found this example helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.